this right here, this is the, can you guys do this? This is the mouth part of a T-Rex. Now the rest of the animal would have looked like this, but much bigger, about as big as a bus. Can you guys imagine an animal as big as a bus? As big as a bus, yeah. Now, us people, we've got little itty bitty teeth, right? Can you guys do this? We got itty bitty teeth, right? But dinosaurs like T-Rex had these really big old teeth that they used for eating meat. Now, T-Rex ate lots and lots of meat. All right, we're gonna be careful because these kids don't want y'all to hit your head. There we go. I'm gonna give him a turn, okay? There we go. So think of them as kind of, they're not crabs, but they kind of look like prehistoric crabs. So they lived in the ocean and they had these really hard shells. And some of them were super tiny like this one. And then there were some really big ones like this. Yeah, there was a little baby ovoraptor inside of it.
Didn't the find out already? Didn't the
A long time ago.
How did it crack?
We're gonna raise our hands.
Because it got buried. In fact, to make a fossil, it had an animal or something the animal left behind has to get buried. And then over a very, 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 very long period of time, it becomes like a rock.
Mr. Daniel, can we touch it?
Sure, I'll come around with the egg so you guys get a chance to touch it, okay?
Okay. It feels so
Now,
lumpy and fluffy.